Named after King Louis XVI of France, this city was founded in 1778 by George Rogers Clark, making it one of the oldest cities west of the Appalachians. The city is Louisville, Kentucky, a city with rich history, vibrant culture, and unique attractions. Get ready to feel the spirit of the Kentucky Derby and discover the hidden gems of this fine city. We're about to embark on a journey through this incredible place, so settle in and let's get started. First stop, we're stepping into the world of baseball legends at the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. Now, even if you're not a die-hard fan, you got to appreciate the craftsmanship, the history, the sheer power packed into every single bat. You can almost hear the crack of the bat connecting, feel the roar of the crowd as you walk through the factory, watching these iconic bats come to life. It's like stepping into a time capsule of America's favorite pastime, and it's an experience you won't soon forget. Next up, we're heading to a place that celebrates the life and legacy of Muhammad Ali. The Muhammad Ali Center is a testament to determination, courage, and the spirit of a champion. Ali's presence is felt in every exhibit, inspiring you to dream big. Number 3, hold on tight because we're about to venture underground into the Louisville Mega Cavern. This place is like stepping into another world, a labyrinth of tunnels and caverns just waiting to be explored. Whether you're craving an adrenaline rush on the zip lines or prefer a more laid-back tram tour, the Mega Cavern offers a unique perspective of Louisville, a hidden world beneath the city streets. It's an adventure that will leave you breathless, in awe of the sheer scale and beauty of this underground wonder. What's something people don't know about Louisville? Number 4 is the serene waterfront park. This place is like an oasis in the heart of the city, a sprawling green space where you can escape the hustle and bustle, breathe in the fresh air, and just soak in the beauty of the Ohio River. Whether you're strolling along the walking paths, enjoying a picnic with loved ones, or simply relaxing by the water's edge, Waterfront Park offers a moment of tranquility, a chance to reconnect with nature and recharge your spirit. Finally, number 5, we gallop over to the world-renowned Churchill Downs, the iconic home of the Kentucky Derby. This historic racetrack has been the heart of horse racing since 1875, where the thunder of hooves and the roar of the crowd create an electrifying atmosphere. Imagine the excitement as the gates fly open and thoroughbreds charge down the track, each stride bringing them closer to victory. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or a first-time visitor, the energy of race day is something you have to experience to believe. From the colorful hats and mint juleps to the sheer thrill of the race itself, Churchill Downs is more than just a venue. It's a celebration of tradition and passion that captures the spirit of this amazing city. So there you have it, the top activities in Louisville, Kentucky. From the excitement of Churchill Downs to the tranquility of Waterfront Park, this city has something for everyone. Make sure to visit and experience all that Louisville has to offer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.